Did you know that the average American consumes over 60 pounds of added sugar every year? That's more than your own body weight for many of us, and it's fueling everything from fatigue and obesity to diabetes and heart disease. But here's the good news. By introducing sugar-free superfoods into your diet, you can take back control, one delicious bite at a time. Today, we're diving into 10 sugar-free superfoods that are not only nutrient-packed, but also help you fight sugar cravings, stabilize your energy, and nourish your body naturally. Whether you're cutting sugar for weight loss, energy, or overall wellness, these superfoods belong on your grocery list. We all know cutting sugar sounds simple until we try it. You might start off motivated, tossing out soda and skipping dessert. But within days, or even hours, the cravings kick in. You feel tired, maybe irritable, and you start reaching for healthy options that are secretly loaded with hidden sugars. Most processed foods, even ones labeled natural or low-fat, are packed with sugar. And when you cut it out without good replacements, your body starts to rebel. The trick isn't just removing sugar, it's replacing it with clean, satisfying, sugar-free foods that fuel you. That's where these superfoods come in. Let's kick things off with broccoli, one of the most underrated veggies around. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, rich in vitamins C, K, and A, and packed with powerful antioxidants like sulforaphane, which helps fight inflammation and may even reduce cancer risk. But the best part? It's naturally sugar-free and incredibly high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer and avoid the blood sugar spikes and crashes that come with sugary snacks. Roast it with olive oil, steam it, or blend it into soups. Broccoli is a versatile hero in your sugar-free journey. Next up, eggs. These humble kitchen staples are one of the most complete sources of protein available, and they contain absolutely zero sugar. Eggs are also rich in essential nutrients like choline, which supports brain function, and vitamin D, which aids in immune health and mood regulation. Eating eggs for breakfast has been shown to reduce hunger throughout the day, making them a smart choice if you're trying to avoid mid-morning sugar cravings. Boil them, scramble them, or whip up a veggie-loaded omelet. Eggs are not just for breakfast. They're your all-day sugar-free protein partner. Now let's talk about avocados. Creamy, rich, and delicious, avocados are technically a fruit, but unlike most fruits, they contain virtually no sugar. Instead, they're loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. Avocados help keep you full and satisfied, which means fewer sugar cravings throughout the day. Plus, the fats in avocado help regulate insulin and support heart health. Spread it on toast, add it to salads, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture without the sugar hit. Our next superfood swims right into the spotlight: salmon. This fatty fish is a goldmine of omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain function, heart health, and even mood. It's high in protein, sugar-free, and one of the most satisfying foods you can eat. Including salmon in your meals can help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and keep your blood sugar stable. Try it grilled, baked, or pan-seared with lemon and herbs. Bonus: wild-caught salmon contains higher levels of omega-3s and fewer toxins than farmed fish. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are a sugar-free superfood you'll want in your pantry. Just 1 ounce provides 10 grams of fiber, plus protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds expand into a gel-like texture that helps you feel full and satisfied. This swelling action also slows digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes, making chia seeds perfect for people managing sugar levels. Mix them into smoothies, yogurts, or make a delicious chia pudding with almond milk and cinnamon for a dessert that won't spike your blood sugar. Up next is spinach, a leafy green that packs a nutritional punch without adding a single gram of sugar. Spinach is loaded with iron, magnesium, folate, and plant compounds that promote healthy skin, brain function, and digestion. It's incredibly low in calories, so you can eat it in large volumes without overdoing it. Add fresh spinach to smoothies, omelets, wraps, or salads. You can even sauté it with garlic for a quick, delicious side dish. It's a simple way to bulk up your meals while keeping things clean and sugar-free. Coconut oil is not just for cooking. It's a sugar-free fat that may actually help reduce your body's cravings for sweets. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which your body can quickly convert into energy. These fats also promote satiety, meaning you'll feel full and satisfied longer. Try using coconut oil to sauté vegetables, blend it into your morning coffee for an energy boost, or use it in baking as a healthier fat alternative. It adds a subtle sweetness without any actual sugar. Craving something crunchy? Almonds are your go-to snack. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and magnesium, all without any sugar. Just a small handful can reduce hunger and prevent mindless snacking on sweet treats. Almonds also help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, making them a smart choice for anyone trying to cut sugar. Eat them raw, roast them with spices, or blend them into almond butter for a creamy, satisfying spread. Next, we have mushrooms, a unique sugar-free food that deserves more credit. Mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and lion's mane are rich in antioxidants, beta-glucans, and compounds that boost immunity and support brain health. They're incredibly low in carbs and sugar, but full of umami flavor, which can help satisfy savory cravings when you're cutting sugar. Use them in stir-fries, soups, or grill them as a meat substitute. Mushrooms make healthy eating anything but boring. And finally, here's one you might not expect: raw cacao. Unlike processed cocoa, raw cacao is sugar-free and loaded with antioxidants, magnesium, and mood-boosting compounds. It stimulates dopamine and serotonin, the same feel-good chemicals released when you eat sugar, without the crash. Mix cacao powder into smoothies, oatmeal, or almond milk for a chocolatey treat that actually supports your health. If you're trying to beat sugar cravings, cacao is your secret weapon. So there you have it, 10 nutrient-packed, sugar-free superfoods that don't just help you survive without sugar, they help you thrive. From protein-rich eggs to mood-boosting cacao, these foods are powerful tools in your health arsenal. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite sugar-free food that keeps you going strong? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more science-backed nutrition tips and healthy eating hacks every week. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video.